3 signs na kailangan mo nang mag-retreat. First, you're feeling burned out. Pagod ka emotionally, pagod ka din physically, at pagod ka rin spiritually. Wala ka ng gana, at parang kulang na lang magkakasakit ka na. Pangalawa, you're not growing anymore. You feel like you're stuck there, and you've been doing what you're doing for a very long time now. Third, you don't have a sense of purpose. Dati excited ka, pero ngayon parang hindi mo matukoy bakit mo ginagawa ang ginagawa mo. If you're going through these 3 things, ay kailangan na mag-retreat. Maraming klaseng retreat. Meron talagang mahabang retreat, yung weekend retreat. Ito yung pumupunta ka ng mga retreat house at meron kang spiritual director. Pwede ka rin sumali sa isang grupo na nagre-retreat din at naghahanap ng spiritual nourishment. Pwede rin naman yung panandaliang retreat. Kung pupunta ka lang sa chapel o sa isang quiet place, surrounded by nature, at nagpapander ka sa buhay mo doon at nagdadasal ka. At pwede ding simple magpahinga lang din. Baka pagod na pagod ka lang talaga at kulang ka sa tulog. Ang mahalaga, you collect yourself and find your way back to God and be able to move forward in life with a new spirit and energy.